Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. I Sudoku Heavy in this newspaper of Friday. Yes, end of the week, Friday, almost weekend. Friday, May the 27th, 2022. I've already solved one puzzle, the Sudoku Light, and it's time for the Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional, and the additional with 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve 3 puzzles. But first, we will solve this Sudoku Heavy. By the way, the news of today, yes, the fans of Rotterdam Feyenoord soccer club. Yes, they returning back. They are Feyenoord has played a game, the final of the Conference League, and they've lost. Although they has played very well, dominant in the game, but they've lost with 1-0. Alright, Sudoku Heavy, number 4612. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? For Sudoku Heavy, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have 2 ones. We have here 1, 2, 3 twos. We have here 1, 2, 3 threes. We have here 1 4. We have here 3 fives. 2 sixes. 4 sevens. Wow. And 2 eights and 2 nines. So the sevens are in majority. Let me check for the sevens. Yeah, I can start with the sevens. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. Okay, I cannot continue with the 7. Let me scan. Alright. In this column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see there another 1 in the 3rd row, so no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1, yeah. 3 missing numbers. No. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. In this big square, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have a 3 in this column. So no 3 in this box. These 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8, we have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. 8. Then. Let me see. 3, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright, the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the middle column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 6, 6. Okay. And now, and now. Okay. 1. Okay, 1. Let me think. 1. 8 in this column. The 8 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8. 8. I'm scanning. 8. Yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. 8 in this row. 8 in one of those 3 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Alright. So what are these 3 missing numbers in the second column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9. Okay. Well, we have a 5 in this row. 5 in a row above. Sorry, 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 4, 7, 9, 4, 7, 9. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, yeah. 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And the 6 supposed to be here. Because we have a 6 in the second column. No 6 in these 3 boxes. Alright, 6. 2. How about the 4? 4. And the 9. Okay. Cannot do anything. 5. I'm scanning. 5. In this row. No. In this row. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. Well, we have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 4, 9, 2, 4, 9. And look, we have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in this box. Here also a 2 in this column. So no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9 are missing. 4 and the 9. Need to wait for marking those boxes because it's not in one big square. Otherwise, it will be a mess if I mark all those boxes. Okay, 7, 7. Then. Let me see. 3, 3. 1, 1. Yeah. I'm scanning. 1, 1. 7. 6. 4. 9. We have a pair. In the last column, we have 4 missing numbers. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this big square. So no 9 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7, 9 and a 7. So what are the other 2 numbers in the last column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. 1 and 4. And the other pair in this big square, I've marked these 2 boxes with a 3. But the 2 is also missing. The 2. Yes, 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated 3. So the 3 goes there. Alright. So 2 numbers left now in this row. The 1 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Alright. 7, 6, 4, 1. 1 in this row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then 6, 6. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in the third row, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in the third row. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. And look, we have already a 6 in the third column. So no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Okay. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this column. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 6. So the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Still 9 and the 7 are open. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this first column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Yeah. Okay, 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right, 1 1. 1 1. Okay. 479. 479. 492. Yeah, the 2 in this row. Last row, 2 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Right here we need a 2. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. I've marked those 3 missing numbers. 4, 7, 9. We already used the 9, so the 4 and the 7 are left. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right. 1 and a 4. 1, 4, and the 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in this box. So 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 7. Find no 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, so 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, this is really a 4 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars, because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes, and I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, And later on, I will solve 3 out of 6 in the puzzles. So see you later. Bye bye for now.